attention? Yes or no? May I really have your attention? Thank you so much. After this, we are shortly going to start with our musical entertainment program, Swar Arc, presented by the members of IIA Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar Center. I request you all to please be seated as you are and keep your phones on silent mode. On behalf of Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, I am pleased to welcome you all the architects of Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, along with their families and the sponsors of the event. I, Mrs. Namrata Lalsave, will be your host for today.
Vice Chairman Architect Sanjay Pathe sir.
Direct.
Treasurer Architect Swapnil Pargaonkar sir. Joint Honorable Secretary Architect Sachin Sang Shetty and Architect Piyush Kapadia sir. As per our Indian tradition, we shall inaugurate today's event by lighting the divine lamp. Also, I would like to request our sponsors, if they are here, Mr. Ashfaq Motiwala and Mr. Rauf Patil from Furniture Bazaar and Paul Furnitures. Kindly please come up on the stage for lighting the lamp. Mr. Rajesh Shetty, Zonal Manager of Godrej Interior Kitchen, I would like to request you, sir, kindly come up on the stage for lighting the lamp. I hope with this divine lamp, the light will be spread to all this event and to our lives. It's very rightly said in Marathi, Shubham karoti kalyanam, arogyam dhana sampada, shatru buddhi vinashayo, Deepat Jyotir Namostute. May this light bring hope and positivity to everyone over here. Without this, our Indian tradition will not be continued. And here we are maintaining that tradition. We all must pray that this light gives us prosperity. On this auspicious occasion, lighting lamp is done by our dignitaries.
Okay.
Thank you all. Thank you all the dignitaries. May I now request our Chairman, Architect Shyam Shelar sir, to welcome our today's guests. The first guest will be Mr. Rajesh Shetty, the Zonal Manager of Godrej Interior Kitchens. I request our Vice Chairman, Architect Sanjay Pathe sir, to welcome. Also, I would like to request Mr. Ashfaq Motiwala sir and Rauf Patel sir from Furniture Bazaar and Pearl Furnitures, who are the sponsors for our today's show. Kindly be here on the stage. Now I would like to request Mr. Architect Swapnil Pargaonkar sir . Swapnil Pargaonkar sir, kindly felicitate Ashfaq Motiwala sir and Rauf Patel sir, who are the helpers, I can say, sponsors of our today's show. I request Swapnil sir to be here on the stage and felicitate our captain of Swaraj team, Architect Deepak Deshpande sir. Really a big round of applause. Well deserved sir, well deserved. Thank you everyone. Now I request all the dignitaries kindly be seated except our Centre Chairman Architect Shelar sir to occupy their seat in the audience and be here on the stage. Architect Shyam Shelar sir, I request you to address our audience with a welcome note.
Myself, Architect Shyam Vasan Shelar, Chairman, IIA Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar Center. Good evening to one and all. We at IIA Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar Center are thrilled to welcome you all for the day. Swaraj Mehfil, a musical journey with live music. We are very much thankful to our esteemed architect singers who carved out time from their office schedules for practice since last 2 to 3 weeks to make this event possible. I would once again like to remind and share with all our esteemed members of IIA CSN and guests that Swaraj is back with a bang after about 4 years. As due to COVID, we could not make family event happen in between for a few years. Now, after the success of IIPL 13, start of our Relationship Partners program on a journey of knowledge sharing, today we are back with Swaraj with the help of our sponsors for the day, Pearls Furnishings and Furniture Bazaar. I am happy to announce that we have some discount cards and coupons from few reputed showrooms for our members, which shall be sent to you by courier to all our members. They are Rangoli Collection, Orchid Furnishings in Jawar Colony, Heliois The Watch Store, Titan World and Ads Decor, an exclusive artifact showroom at Kalda Corner. We shall shortly be also having a mega tree plantation program in near future. The team leader for the plantation event is our beloved member Architect Samir Ausekar, and thereafter to continue with more of such knowledge sharing sessions in coming months under our RPP Relationship Partner Program. We shall also be starting our store visits in coordination with our relationship partners. For this, we shall be posting message on WhatsApp groups and the list shall be finalized as per the sequence in which our members confirm, as we shall be having a group of 25 to 30 members for the visit. We are once again thankful to Pearls Furnishing and Furniture Bazaar for today's sponsorships. I shall request all our members to visit the exclusive showroom at Akashvani Chowk and extend their support to Pearls Furnishing and Furniture Bazaar. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I request Mr. Rajesh Shetty, sir, who is a Zonal Manager, Godrej Interior, to brief about their product range.
So good evening everyone. Wonderful and a warm welcome to you all. We are from Godrej Interior. As you all know, we had an inaugural offer at our Furniture Bazaar team. Today there was 2 inaugurations. One is for Pearl Furnishing, and also we have tied up with Furniture Bazaar for selling our Godrej kitchen as well as the entire home range of products. As you all know, Godrej has been in the business for around 127 years. We started off with locks, and now we are very proud to announce that we have also tied up with Chandrayaan. The latest Chandrayaan that was sent to orbit, some part of it was developed in our own plant at Vikhroli. We have 13 divisions to look after. So, right from the time Godrej was launched, it was always make for India, make by India, made in India, and that is what we are proud of. Aurangabad as a region in the Marathwada, we didn't had any of our partners because we are onto a very ethical mode. We want our partners to grow as well as to business to grow with ethics. So we are proud that we have partnered with Furniture Bazaar and team, Mr. Rauf, Mr. Motiwala and family, and the entire Furniture Bazaar team. I believe that with your all support, we shall go strength to strength from here, and Marathwada would be one of the major and the priority region for us. Starting with the brief, so what we are. So Godrej as a division, we are present in 10 industries. We have a turnover of around 1.5 billion annual revenue, which will grow this year by around 20% this year. We have an employee strength of 14,000. We are into Godrej Aerospace, which is looking after our Chandrayaan project. We are into process equipment, precision engineering, and largely we are also present as Interior. Now Interior has both B2B as well as B2C as a segment. In B2B we look after the entire office range of products, right from civil to chairs to conference rooms, everything. And B2C is entirely into home, so home products, beds, mattresses, kitchen as one of our portfolio, and everything which comes at our home range, we are there. We are also into security solution. The Desh Ki Tijori ad that we see in the IPLs and the other big banner films is also under our umbrella. We are also into Godrej locks, from which we have started initial. So this is our core existence formula, ensuring employment, community development. Of course, we are working very closely with the architect community in Bombay as well as Pune. So that is our core strength. So this is our home range of products. So right from 127 years, we have been selling the Godrej Almiras. These are not the Godrej cupboard, it goes as Almira. Godrej ka Almira is very famous. Innovation has been done. These are the home sofas that we manufacture. We have our 3 plants. So in Shirwal we manufacture the bed material. We have our plant in Bhagwanpur. We have our plant in Khalapur. We have our plant in Haridwar. The entire chain of supply is being done through the manufactured products. Our 80% of the products are manufactured in India. These are some of the bedroom sets that we have. There are theme based of bedroom sets, so entire community bed, bedside table, mattresses, wardrobes, dressing table, overhead units with the theme and the ambience are being manufactured in our own plant. This is our kitchen basic range of products that we have. Now in kitchen also there are a lot of innovations which has come in. We started off in 2000 kitchen as a business. We were very naive, we were not knowing any business anxieties that we have in the business, which was always there. In 2000 our turnover was 40 lakhs around, And I am very proud that last year we closed at 135 crores. So these are the basic range of products. The entire market is flooded with the kitchen range of products. This is our, since inceptions, we have around 2 lakh plus customer range, 12 years of business, which is youngest in Godrej Interior family, 16 branches all over India, 4 range of products. So this is our range of products, Steel Chef. So that same steel that we use in cupboards, in locks, in beds, that with that same steel we are using the kitchen range, and I am very proud to tell you in the branded segment no player is supplying any kitchen in steel range. Willow Oak is again in ply, which has a 5 years warranty. Relish has a 10 years warranty. Adra is one of the modules which we have in the wardrobe range, and it is in marine ply, customizable. Hobbs and Hood is always there, and also there is a range called Cuisine Regal, which is a premium segment. These is our steel range of products. So in steel also, it would look like a wooden region, but it is entirely made up of steel. So you will not be able to make a difference because the shutters and everything is again manufactured by us, and these are all powder coated with a 7-tank process system that we have in our own plant. Rust resistant. These are some of the range that can be developed with the kitchen designs. Willow Oak, again it is a wooden wardrobe range, boiling water proof, 10 years performance warranty, factory finish, easy maintenance. So previously, while a kitchen was being given by a builder, it was like a kadappa was given and the verticals were there. As of now, kitchen is more involved. We have the entire family inputs that we come in, and everything is revolving around kitchens. So before a Grah Pravesh starts off, kitchen as a process starts off maybe within 1 or 2 months prior to getting into the home. So that kind of involvement is there with the entire family. Lot of customers as of now, which I could see in the metro and the rural area, are also supporting the architects. They always go with the designs or the finishes which architects recommend. So I believe that we have a larger strength here, and with your support, Furniture Bazaar can also pitch in a lot of products which can be given to the developers as well as the single individual customers. This is our Relish range, which is having a 5 years warranty on the product. All factory made, so the packets will be delivered at the residence, and our technician will come and install the kitchen within 1 or 2 days max. These are some of the designs which we have. This is a Cuisine Regal, which is a premium segment that we cater to. Superior aesthetic handleless kitchens that we have currently with a 10 years warranty, and in marine ply shutters. These are some of the designs that we have, which can be correlated and can be customized as per the requirement of the customers. Manufacturing and quality. So this is our own plant. This is a Shirwal plant that we have. Entirely robotic systems that we have developed over the years. It is manufactured as per the quality check. The processing and identification has been done as per the packages. Again, durable material, we are a Green Guard certified, we use the Green Guard certified products. Termite resistant, which is again an issue. So it is a termite resistant product. We use is a marine ply. Wire baskets has a warranty of 15 years. And it is tested 1 lakh, before we launch a product, 1 lakh cycles has been tested before we launch the product. The key design coordination is the modern aesthetics that we have, value for design, space utilization, utilities, and it is entirely modular. So once a kitchen is installed, it can be again dismantled and reshifted too. As I told you, entire kitchen range is manufactured in our own plant. So we have our plant in Vikhroli, Shirwal, Khalapur, Bhagwanpur, Haridwar, again made in India. And quality assurance is always there, because since we are here in the business for around 127 years, there is a lot of trust which has been built over the years with the product. These are the ergonomically designed products. So if you see on my right hand side, we have the shutter as well as the overhead unit, which is as per the Indian make. This is a project management, so from delivering from initial inquiry generation to delivering the product, we have an entire SOP which has been developed in our head office, and we don't cater. So there is no corner cutting. If I am telling you that the product will be supplied in marine ply, it will be definitely in marine ply with a 18 mm ply. There is no corner cutting. We don't use particle boards. We don't use MDF, which are harmful for the nature. These are some of the successful projects that we have done. So individually we have supplied more than 1 lakh kitchens, but we have also tied up with RBI. We have supplied 250 flats for the residential colonies, CPWD 150 flats, HCL 251 flats, IIT 660 flats, Hyderabad 600 flats. So these are some of the projects that I am telling you, but we have a vast range, and I am sure with the tie-up that we have with Furniture Bazaar, the list would be most longer. We would request your support. In case there are any queries, you can definitely reach to Mr. Abdul Rauf, who has been our partner. Aurangabad as a region, we didn't have any presence over years, and it's been over 10 years that we were wanting to have a partner, but we were not able to get a complete party who is looking after the entire end-to-end solution. And I am proud from Godrej Interior. My best wishes to the entire Furniture Bazaar team, and I feel that with the presence and with all our support, we will be able to reach the landmark that we wanted to meet in this year. Thank you so much.
Now I really like to proceed in our today's program with the musical night. मला असं वाटतं फार झालं नाही इंग्रजी थोडंसं आता आपल्या मातृभाषेकडे वळायचं का सगळ्यांना? काय वाटतंय? वळायचं का? थोडं कॉर्पोरेट इव्हेंटमध्ये बसल्यासारखं वाटायचं फील आपण आता बाजूला करायचं का? अगदी सुरुवात करूया आजच्या या स्वर आर्चच्या कार्यक्रमाला. कुठल्याही कार्यक्रमाची सुरुवात ही आपण नेहमीच किंवा कुठल्याही शुभ कार्याची सुरुवात ही आपण गणनायकाच्या बाप्पाच्या आगमनाने किंवा त्याच्या आशीर्वादाने सुरू करतो. आणि आज सुद्धा स्वर आर्च तीच परंपरा पुढे घेऊन जात आहे. एक बाप्पाला आपण छोटीशी प्रार्थना करून आजचा त्याचा हा वंदनेचा जो कार्यक्रम आहे त्याला आपण सुरुवात करूया. बाप्पा दे मला आशीर्वाद, बाप्पा दे मला आशीर्वाद. सुरू केलाय हा स्वर आर्चनी पुन्हा एकदा कोविड नंतरचा नवीन प्रवास. सुचू दे मला रोज नवीन काही, सुचू दे मला रोज नवीन काही. मनी राहू दे तुझाच ध्यास, मला उंच झेप घेऊ दे. गणराया तू बुद्धीचा देवता, प्रार्थना करतो तुला निर्मळ मनाने. आमची प्रार्थना तू चरणात घे आणि ह्या समस्त जगाच्या चालका आमच्या ह्या संगीतमय प्रवासाला तू चालना दे. सुरू करूयात आजचा हा म्युझिकल इव्हेंट गणनायका या गणेश वंदनेनी. या वंदनेसाठी मी मंचावरती आमंत्रित करते आर्किटेक्ट योगेश यांना. एकदा जोरदार टाळ्यांच्या गजरात योगेश यांचं स्वागत झालं पाहिजे. ऐकूयात हे सुरमयी गीत.
गणेशाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि चतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैव्यदलक्षेत्रे गुरुदैव सदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि ग्रन्थगीताय ग्रन्थगेयाय ग्रन्थान्तरात्मने गीतलीनाय गीताश्रयाय गीतवाद्यपटवे गेयचरिताय गायकवराय गन्धर्वप्रियकृते गायकाधीनविग्रहाय गङ्गाजलप्रणयवते गौरीस्तनन्दनाय गौरीहृदयनन्दनाय गौरभानुसुताय गौरीगणेश्वराय गौरीप्रणयाय गौरीप्रवणाय गौरभावाय धीमहि गोसहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय
थँक्यू. योगेशजींच्या या गाण्यानंतर मला असं वाटतं गणपती बाप्पा नक्कीच प्रसन्न झाले असतील, नाही का? जो दिल के हो खूबसूरत, जो दिल के हो खूबसूरत, खुदा ने ऐसे लोग कम ही बनाए हैं. जो दिल के हो खूबसूरत, खुदा ने ऐसे लोग कम ही बनाए हैं. और जो भी लोग उन्होंने ये बनाए हैं वो आज हमारे महफिल में आए हैं. एक बार जोरदार तालियां आप जैसी सुरीली ऑडियंस के लिए हो जाए. इसीलिए शायद आज ऑडियंस कम है ऐसा मुझे लगता है ना, क्योंकि शायद खुदा ने इतने ही लोगों को बहुत खूबसूरती से बनाया हुआ है. कलाकारच आहेत असं मला वाटतं. आजचं हे कार्यक्रमाचं सत्र पुढे नेण्यासाठी मी आता मंचावरती आमंत्रित करते मिर्झा मसूद यांना. मुझे दर्द दिल का पता नहीं, मोहम्मद रफीने गायलेलं हा पुढचं गीत. मिर्झांबद्दल एक गोष्ट मला इथे सांगावीशी वाटते की त्यांना गायनाचा हा जो नाद आहे तो कॉलेजच्या दिवसांपासूनच लागलेला होता आणि त्यात त्यांनी खूप मोठं काही अचीवसुद्धा केलेलं आहे. त्यांना बऱ्याच सिंगिंग कॉम्पिटिशन्समध्ये अवॉर्डसुद्धा मिळालेला आहे आणि या IIAच्या अंतर्गत होणाऱ्या कार्यक्रमांमध्ये त्यांच्या गाण्याची निवडसुद्धा झालेली आहे. तेव्हा एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या. मी असं म्हणेन प्रति मोहम्मद रफी, का? कारण की मी हे त्यांचं गाणं पहिलेसुद्धा ऐकलं आहे आणि मला खरंच असा भास झाल्याशिवाय राहिलं नाही की किती रिझेंबलन्स असावा मोहम्मद रफी यांच्याशी. तेव्हा एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या मिर्झा मसूद यांच्यासाठी झाल्या पाहिजेत. ऐकूया ते पुढचं गीत.
मुझे दर्द दिल का पता न था, मुझे आप किस लिए मिल गए. मैं अकेले यूं ही मज़े में था, मुझे आप किस लिए मिल गए. मुझे दर्द दिल का पता न था, मुझे आप किस लिए मिल गए. यूं ही अपने अपने सफर में गुम, कहीं दूर मैं कहीं दूर तुम. यूं ही अपने अपने सफर में गुम, कहीं दूर मैं कहीं दूर तुम, कहीं दूर तुम. चले जा रहे थे जुदा जुदा, मुझे आप किस लिए मिल गए. मैं अकेले मज़े में था, मुझे आप किस लिए मिल गए. ना मैं चांद हूँ किसी शाम का, न चिराग हूँ किसी बाम का. ना मैं चांद हूँ किसी शाम का, न चिराग हूँ किसी बाम का, किसी बाम का. मैं तो रास्ते का हूँ मुझे दर्द दिल का पता न था, मुझे